After his best season yet as a MotoGP rider, Takaaki Nakagami stays with LCR this year, but has been upgraded to the latest Honda machinery. Following Marc Marquez's injury, the Japanese finished as Honda's top rider with 10th place in the World Championship, claiming a first MotoGP pole position along the way. But hopes of a debut podium were repeatedly thwarted, most notably when he fell from the lead on lap 1 at Aragon, and he's vowed to deal with the pressure better this season and capitalise on his proven speed. Alex Marquez is switching from a factory to satellite team, he will continue to receive the latest Honda machinery. The Spaniard will also be working with respected LCR crew chief Christophe Bourguignon, who helped Crutchlow to 3 wins. Alex will complete his first official laps as an LCR rider at next month's Qatar test. Takaaki Nakagami, the top Honda rider in last year's World Championship, is staying at LCR as teammate to Alex this season. The Japanese will also ride a 2021 spec Honda.